Have you ever had that feeling? That moment of panic when you realize you've got a huge event coming up and nothing to wear that makes you feel amazing? Yeah, we've all been there. But finding the perfect suit, it really doesn't have to be that stressful. Today, we're going to break it all down and unlock the secrets to looking sharp and feeling incredible, no matter what the occasion is.
Just think about it. Maybe you've got that dream job interview next week. You've prepped for all the questions, but what are you going to wear? Or, hey, maybe your best friend's getting married, and you really want to look your best for the photos. In moments like these, a great suit is so much more than just clothes, right? It's your armor. It's a statement.
So, what is the secret to making that kind of lasting impression? Well, it all boils down to one simple but really powerful idea: looking sharp. And that's not just about being well-dressed. It's that feeling of confidence you get when you know you look good. It's about sending a message to the world about who you are without saying a single word.
Okay, but how do you actually get that sharp look? I promise it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's start from the very beginning with the basic building blocks of a great suit. From here, you can start to create a look that is 100% you.
So, your journey to the perfect suit starts with one simple question: how many pieces? Now, this might seem like a tiny detail, but trust me, this decision sets the stage for your entire look. It really defines the vibe you're going for. So let's check out the options.
If you're going for a look that's absolutely timeless, super sophisticated, the three-piece suit is the classic choice. It has been for, well, forever. What's so great about it is how versatile it is. You can dress it up for a super formal event, or even dress it down for a more casual but still really stylish look. It's a fantastic piece to have in your wardrobe. So what exactly makes up a three-piece suit? Well, it's those three key elements working together. You've got the jacket, the matching trousers, and of course, the vest. That vest, sometimes people call it a waistcoat, that's the secret ingredient. It's that third piece that just adds this extra layer of class and, old school cool.
All right, so you've picked your style. Now it's time to talk about something really important: the fabric. The material you pick is going to have a huge impact on how the suit looks, how it feels when you wear it, and how comfortable you are. So yeah, this is a big decision.
When it comes to suit fabrics, let's be honest, wool is the undisputed king. It's a natural fiber, it's been the go-to for literally centuries, and for a really good reason. Wool is not only super durable and breathable, but it also just hangs beautifully. It drapes in a way that just looks good on pretty much everyone.
Now, if you're ready to treat yourself, to get into some real luxury, you have to look at cashmere. This stuff is unbelievably soft. It's a pretty rare fiber that comes from cashmere goats, and it's famous all over the world for its warmth, its lightness, and that incredible, buttery soft feel against your skin. You ever wonder why people make such a big deal about Italian suits? A huge part of it comes down to the fabric. Italy has this long, amazing history of making some of the world's absolute best textiles. Their wool and cashmere, they're just on another level when it comes to quality and craftsmanship. You can think of a great suit as a kind of blank canvas, and the accessories you choose, those are the brushstrokes that really bring the whole painting to life. We're talking everything from cufflinks to your tie. These are the details where you get to show off your personality and make the suit truly your own.
Seriously, forget boring old buttons. Cufflinks are such a great way to add a pop of personality and style to your look. I mean, these little things are small, but they make a huge impact. And they come in endless styles, so you can always find a pair that really reflects your taste.
Okay, so besides cufflinks, there are a few other accessories that every well-dressed person should probably have ready to go. A quality silk tie, that's an absolute must for any formal event. And a custom-made shirt, well, that's just going to make sure you look and feel fantastic from the inside out.
So, we've covered style, we've talked fabric, we've gone over accessories, but there is one more thing, and honestly, it's the most important thing of all. It can make or break your entire look. We're talking about the fit. A perfectly tailored suit can make you feel like $1,000,000, but a bad fit, well, it can do the exact opposite. When it comes to getting that perfect fit, you've really got two main paths you can take: off the rack or tailor-made. Now, off the rack suits are great if you're on a budget or in a hurry, but they almost always need some alterations to get the fit just right. A tailor-made suit, on the other hand, that thing is made from scratch to your exact measurements, so you know it's going to fit like a glove.
And I'm not exaggerating here. The difference between an off-the-rack suit and a tailor-made one is like night and day. An off-the-rack suit is made to fit a generic mannequin shape, but a tailor-made suit, it's designed and built to fit your body, specifically. It's a total game changer.
Getting a suit tailor-made, it's a really cool experience. It's this collaborative process between you and your tailor, and it's your chance to create a suit that's totally 100% unique. Here's a quick little rundown of what that process usually looks like. A really good tailor is kind of like a sculptor, and your body is their marble. They're going to take a whole bunch of really precise measurements to make sure that your suit fits you perfectly, from the exact width of your shoulders all the way down to the length of your legs. Let me tell you, the feeling of putting on a truly tailor-made suit for the very first time, it's something you will never ever forget. It's a feeling of pure confidence, of power, of elegance. It's knowing without a single doubt that you look absolutely fantastic.
So, now you're armed with all this knowledge, right? You know everything you need to choose the perfect suit. The only question left is, what are you going to create? Are you going to go for a classic, timeless look? Or maybe try something a little more adventurous? The world is your oyster, my friend. Go out there and make a statement.